In this video, we are going to see how to fix PCOPS error 011 capacity optimization component registration is failed due to internal errors. This issue occurs possibly because of network or misconfiguration issues. Verify the connection to the host and port specified into the component registration menu is working. To do that, access the TSPS machine via command line and give the NSLOOKUP along with the TSCO Data Hub server. NSLOOKUP space the FQDN of the TSCO Data Hub server, which is this, and validate if it works. If not, then specified host name is wrong or we have a DNS name resolution issues. If it works, then we'll run the following command, which is telnet along with the FQDN of the TSCO Data Hub machine with 8280 port, and we'll hit enter. It says as connected. If it doesn't, then it means that we have a closed port or a non-working STTPD or data hub. If one of the above fails, try the same command from the BCO AS data hub machine and see if AS hostname is solved via NSLOOKUP and port is open via telnet. So now I'll log into the AS machine where we have the data hub. So now I'm in AS machine. From here, we'll give the NSLOOKUP for the same host to verify, and next we'll give telnet same host with port 8280 and we'll hit enter. So it shows as connected in both the cases. So in this case, we have the port open, but not if in case it's open and not reachable from TSPS, then we have a network issues. We can also verify the data hub configuration from the TSCO console. We'll check its host and port. So I'll log into the console and we'll validate it together. So I'm in TSCO console. From here, we'll go to the administration, global configuration, edit, system properties from this page, and we'll search for data hub and we'll validate its host and the port. Once we validate it and change it, then we'll log into the TSCO application server where we have the data hub and we'll restart the component, which is the data hub and HTTPD. I'm in AS machine again. I logged in here as cpit and in the TSCO home directory. From here, we'll give cpit restart data hub and then it will be cpit restart HTTPD. Data hub is started. We'll give cpit restart HTTPD. Another useful tip to understand what's going on is to verify the data hub log dataprv.log file, which will be in TSCO home directory cd data hub log, and from here we can give tail-f data prv.log file. If you don't see any issues in data PRV log, then it means the data hub is fine and probably a network issues. We can also do validate in the TSPS log by enabling the TSPS debug mode. So I'll log into the TSPS server again. I'm in the TSPS server and I'm inside of Truesight piece server bin directory. From here, we'll run the debug mode, which is tsh space logger debug on -n all, and then we'll try to call the TSCO to validate if the error related to the DNS. Once this is done, we'll give the command as tss logger debug of -n all to stop the debug mode. Thank you for watching and have a great day.